Number 14. Let's do the math. A builder needs to add diagonal bracing to a wall. The wall is 15 feet long and 8 feet tall. The dashed lines represent the bracing. What is the length of each brace? Explain and show your work. Alright, so let's find the length of one of these diagonals here, and then we'll do some work with that once we get that diagonal from corner to corner. So that'll be 8 squared plus 15 squared equals c squared. So that'll be 64 plus 225 equals c squared. Let's add those together. 64 plus 225, so 289. 289 equals c squared. And we need to take the square root of that to actually find the length. If you remember your square numbers, that's 17. Okay, so if we think about this, one brace can go all the way. I know this brace is going to be 17 feet. But this other brace will not be able to go along the whole way because it would hit this board. I'm going to need to split that brace in half. So let's say this is the whole length one, and let's divide 17 in half real quick. So this would need to be 8.5, and this would need to be 8.5. If you want to get technical, there would be a little bit extra. You'd have to shave off each board because this board also has a width, but that'll be good enough. Let's do 17, and then cutting that board in half, 8.5 and 8.5. Those are the lengths of the diagonal braces.